Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome to my session. We are going to discussion about methyl alcohol and oxygen fuel cell, and we are discussing about the construction of methyl alcohol and oxygen fuel cell, how it is going on, and some of the advantages also there, some of the disadvantages also there. Then here in this fuel cell, the methyl alcohol is used as a fuel. Okay, we are taking as a fuel methyl alcohol, and also oxygen also. It will be oxygen will be act as a oxidant to generate electrical energy. Okay, it will be these methyl alcohol and oxygen will be act as a oxidant to generate electrical energy. When we are discussing in here in this process, indirectly we are giving to chemical energy will be converted to electrical energy. Some mechanism is going on. We are placing with two electrodes, the chemical energy will be converted to electrical energy. Here let's see the methyl alcohol and O2. Here the methyl alcohol is there, CH3OH we call as methyl alcohol, and O2. Fuel cell has two electrodes. Okay, it is having the two electrode. Let's see the how it's going on. The mechanism in this methyl alcohol oxygen fuel cell is we are constructing of two electrodes. Here let's see. Here the nickel plate coated with platinum and palladium act as a cathode. Same as it is nickel plate coated with silver, it will be act as a anode. These two electrodes are placed in between the electrolyte solution, that is the sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, and we are passing with methyl alcohol one side, anode side, and oxygen is another cathode side. Okay, these are producing of fuels. These fuels are passing through this like this. Here the making of electrons, the formation of the electron, transferring of electron, this chemical energy will be goes on to converted to electrical energy. That is a mechanism is going on this construction of fuel cell. Okay, here the nickel plate coated with platinum palladium catalyst act as a cathode. Okay, number one point. Okay, and another one point, nickel electrode coated with silver catalyst act as a anode. Okay, silver catalyst act as a anode. Electrolyte solution we are taken as a sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide in between two electrodes, and methyl alcohol and O2 is sent to continuously. Okay, continuously we are sent to continuously their electrodes. We are passing with electrodes. Okay, the fuel cell will be activated to operate water vapor and releases the CO2. It's a mechanism is going on and releases the water vapor and CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay, let's see at anode what is going on. Reaction is methyl alcohol reacted with water, the formation of the CO2, and releases the 6 H plus ions and 6 electrons. Okay, here the 6 hydrogens are also there. It's 6 H plus ions and 6 electrons. At cathode process, 6 H plus ions, 6 electrons reacted with O2, the making of water vapor. Here the overall reaction is there. Methyl alcohol reacted with oxygen, the making of CO2 with water vapor. Okay, this is the mechanism is going on. The chemical energy will be converted to electrical energy. Okay, sorry. Here this advantage is also there. These are the stable at all environment condition. One kind of advantage is also there. And another one is the pollution free. Of course, it is we are not using any petrol and diesel, so that's why it's no chlorofluorocarbons releases. Okay, no sulfur dioxide releases, no external pollutants releases, no dust particles will be releases. So that is it is a pollution free. Okay, and more efficient, less time to operate. Okay, it is a more efficient and less time to operate. Very fastly generation of when the methyl alcohol and O2 will be passing with the two electrodes, the making of two electrodes, the formation of very fastly electrons will be converted to electrical current. The chemical reaction goes on, the electron releases, the electrons releases is nothing but the passing of electrical current. Okay, the producing of electrical current. Okay, it is eco-friendly, so there is no doubt at all. It is because it is eco-friendly, because there is no pollutants, no pollution free, that's why it is eco-friendly. And it is also produces water vapor, means it is drinking water, okay, producing of water. So when methyl alcohol reacted with oxygen fuel cell with the two electrodes, the making of water. So that is it is the one kind of advantage is there. It's another one disadvantage is also there. It cannot be stored, okay, it cannot be stored in electrical currents. Electrical current cannot be stored here in this process, okay. Electrodes are expensive, more expensive, because we are using as a silver electrode with nickel, with platinum and palladium. These are expensive metals, okay. We call as a platinum, silver and aurum. These metals are called as a coinage metals and expensive metals. So that is the reason we are using as a silver and platinum and palladium is a more expensive metals. We are coated with nickel. So that's why this is a more expensive and short life it is. Very short life it is. When once it is used, it will be ended of the cell. So that is the storage and handling of H2 gas is dangerous. So that is handling of H2 gas, okay. The producing of H2 gas is very dangerous. So that's why it is a making of, okay. H2 means it's reacted with water, the making of H2O. So that is the reason 6H plus ions is the making of O2 with this H2O. The vapors will be formation takes place, means the water vapors is making of takes place, means H2 and O2 will be separated here in this process, okay. Reacted with the formation of water vapor. So H2 gas is dangerous. The evolving of H2 gas is dangerous. So that's why it is some kind of disadvantages also there in this process. So some of the advantages also there, some of the disadvantages also there. This is one kind of methyl alcohol oxygen fuel cell, the construction, and this is very simple, it is, okay, very simple, very easy. And cathode and anode. Cathode is making nickel nickel plate coated with platinum and palladium act as a cathode, okay. And nickel plate with silver catalyst act as a anode. These are placed with the two electrolyte solution, and we are passing with the methyl alcohol, one side passing with O2, and the making of releasing of CO2 and releasing of H2O molecule. So water vapor and producing the electrical current. The construction of the cell is going on like that only, okay. That is a one of the very important process it is, okay. The major application of methyl alcohol oxygen fuel cell for fuel cell motor vehicles, some kind of motors vehicles nowadays using here this construction of fuel cells, okay. This is the advantages also there. So this is methyl alcohol oxygen fuel cell, okay. Thank you so much.